For almost 5 years, the HOMAG eShop has been your fast and convenient provider for spare parts, repairs and more. For this video, however, we wanted to hear what you, our customers, think about the eShop.
HOMAG eShop.
We use the HOMAG eShop once or twice a month, mainly for ordering spare parts and operating resources for our HOMAG machines. The delivery times in the assortment are amazing, the ordering process straightforward, and you get your items for an unbeatable price.
Today, thousands of our customers use the HOMAG eShop, while even more European countries are joining. But what is it that our customers appreciate in particular about the HOMAG eShop?
The eShop convinces with reliable confirmations and pictures, enabling the quick identification of the desired parts.
The registration was very easy and intuitive, and just about 1 hour later, everything was confirmed. Another positive aspect about the HOMAG eShop is the fast access to the needed parts by searching through the identification numbers. That we can create order lists ourselves and also link existing orders to the specific machines. If needed, we can thus conveniently reorder the same part fairly quickly. Besides, prices are displayed right away. No shipping costs. You always get the original spare parts. Plus rapid order confirmations for delivery dates and fast shipping.
We are so glad to hear that. Currently, the HOMAG eShop is offering you more than 22,000 different original spare parts.
Our state-of-the-art logistics centers, such like this one behind me, facilitate quick processing times for the fastest package delivery possible.
Usually, the spare parts arrive the very next day or the day after. The fastest shipment from the HOMAG eShop was delivered within 24 hours.
Last year, 98% of all incoming domestic orders have arrived at our customers the very next day. That being said, the HOMAG eShop is so much more than just a digital spare parts warehouse. Repair bookings and modernizations are just a few clicks away. Moreover, you receive a 12-month warranty on all repaired parts and can therefore increase your machine's lifespan exponentially.
So far, the repair experience with HOMAG has been impeccable. The power and gluing units we had sent for repair were returned to us within 14 days and in mint condition.
Besides, the HOMAG eShop offer also includes our digital assistants, empowering you to further digitize your production.
We are thrilled to learn about our customers' enthusiasm for the HOMAG eShop. At the same time, we are also keen to receive your feedback on how to further improve our eShop for you. We are at your service. By offering fast spare part deliveries and services through our eShop, we want to support you in maximizing your machine's long-term performance. We are looking forward to your next order at shop.homag.com.